I believe prefabrication came into the commercial market primarily to labor shortages. So in the last decade or so, we've had numerous tradesmen exit the workforce and not as many people come back in, which has driven quality issues in the field and speed and productivity problems. And prefabrication has helped alleviate some of that in terms of being able to build it in a controlled environment quicker, safer, and the quality is a much higher level as well. Prefabrication is very good for our subcontractor partners. It allows us to design and laser scan a project early and then put it into BIM models right out of the gate, which our subcontractors can take and do their shop drawings with and design from, and then fabricate their product to take to the job site in a temperature-controlled environment, which will help them in both speed and cost. And at the end of the day, that helps us and our clients.